Alright guys, today we are going to be giving you the straight up facts if Terra Luna Classic is a buy or sell. This thing's up over 200% since August 25th. I'm going to give you the DD on it. I'm going to give you why it's up. I'm going to give you my thoughts as if you should FOMO in on this or not. However, this is something that did get rug pulled, as many of you know, or as many of you don't know. In my opinion, this isn't going to go back to its all-time highs. So I'm not going to give you false hope in that this thing's going to rise, 30,000% in a month or so. But I'm going to give you facts, and that does not mean you can't make money on this, right? That does not mean that you can't make an absolute shitload of money on Luna Classic. So all I ask you guys to do is smash the like, hit that subscribe button, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the FOMO, or what all the hype is about, is Terra Classic's 1.2% tax burn rate. What this essentially is going to do is for each transaction, for a buy and a sell, so you look at the overall daily volume on this, what this is going to do is tax 1.2% on this. So each transaction is going to cost you more. However, it is going to raise the burn rate excessively on Terra Luna. If you reduce supply in something, it just raises the demand. So essentially, right, from a logical perspective, the price should rise in Terra Luna. Now the next thing is Binance unveils new changes for Terra Luna Classic and USTC deposit withdrawals, except on margin accounts. What, in my opinion, this is going to do, it's not going to have too much of a crazy effect, but it is going to delay people FOMOing in and the burn rate dropping too high, at least from Binance perspective. I'm not sure what other platforms you can get Terra Luna Classic on. The 1.2% tax burn rate. If you go over here and take a look at the overall volume, it's 617 million for the last 24 hours. That is not even close to some other cryptos, so this could definitely rise. But from a logistical perspective, let's say it's 1 billion in volume with a 1.2% burn rate. That is going to be 12 million burned in Luna per day, which is going to drastically reduce the supply over a few months, and that is why people are pouring into this. However, I'm going to give you it from a TA perspective. Where it's at right now, you're risking about 40% to the nearest trend line. If you're worried about a rug pull going back down to barcoding, you're risking about 70% of your money, with it honestly just a crazy amount of upside. In my opinion, if I were to jump into this, which I may, I would risk, maybe between 500 to 2K, no more on this, and just let the thing ride. It's probably going to be one of those retail waves like Shiba. However, the difference is the market is crashing. People aren't doing financially well. Inflation's high. I don't think you're going to see as much FOMO in this as you want. And I do think at some point, no matter how high this goes, right? At some point, no matter how high this goes, it will retract to this trend line, so just keep that in mind. That's just my personal outlook on it, but I definitely do think you can make money on this. And for anybody who's not in it yet, I want to give you some hopium and tell you that this burn rate did not come into effect yet, so you are still early to the party if you are seeing this video. But I kind of just wanted to put this out there as a fun little video away from the stocks for a little while and kind of touch on some crypto trends that are going around. If you guys have any cryptos you want me to talk about, give you a buy or sell analysis on, or a stock ticker, drop it in the comments. I will put it in a YouTube short for you. Just make sure to have post notifications on and be subscribed so you don't miss your YouTube short being posted. That is it, guys. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.